About Easy Life, where we help you simplify life's problems.
So, can you salvage electronics that have been damaged by water? Well, yes, you can, if you're lucky and patient.
This battery charger I've had for a while. I really like it. It got left by a sink and water splashed on it, and the circuit board apparently got wet. It started acting strange, and I suspected there was water damage. Most people don't realize that water is not the problem. Pure water does not hurt the electronics. It's the minerals in the water that hurts the electronics. If you look at a board that's had water on it, when it dries, it leaves behind a white residue which shorts out the electronics and causes them to act differently. The first thing I tried was to brush the board with some alcohol and a toothbrush, and it basically did no good at all. So I decided what it really needed was to be soaked for a while. So I used a little plastic pan to soak it in using this can of denatured alcohol. I also had a few other tools that I used, a little pocket knife. You need to be careful you don't scratch the board, but carefully remove the residue. Also, toothpicks can help, just the points to remove the residue. Cotton swabs, you might need some magnification to be able to see what you're doing. And hopefully, in the end, you get a working board. So I soaked mine overnight, brushed it, dried it, put it back together, and as you can see, it's now working. So hopefully this might help somebody else who has the same problem. Just to be clear about what I did here is I disassembled this battery charger, took out the little circuit board with all the electronic components on it, and I soaked that in the alcohol, cleaned it up, and then put it all back together when it was dry.